Another popular thing that people want to do is add a custom field. That way they can track something unique to their contacts. Maybe that's a field for their primary YouTube channel. Maybe that's a field for their primary podcast. Once that custom field is created, it will show up across the contact forms for that business. This is done at the sub-account level. So let's navigate to the top left and choose our sub-account. Go back to the sub-account settings. Then I'll scroll down and select custom fields. In the top right, I'll add a field. And here you can choose through all the custom field types. In my case, I'll just choose a single line text input, and then I'll click next, and I'll give it a name. Here I'll call this primary podcast. In case our contacts also have a podcast, I'll keep this on the contact object, but you can do this for opportunities and companies as well. And then here, I'll select the contact group. This is where on the form it will show up. And I don't want any placeholder or pre-fill values for the moment, so I'll click Save. Then I'll exit settings by clicking Go Back. I'll go to Contacts. I'll find Bob. And if we scroll down, we can see the earlier field that I added, primary YouTube channel. And this is the new one that we just added, primary podcast. And that's how you can customize contacts with fields of your own.